It's a great day at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa. Let's check out the 2017 GMC Terrain Denali. Got the 3.6 liter engine in here, V6. So you got lots of power in this one. The distinctive Denali grille, 19-inch aluminum wheels with the Hankook all-season tires. Got the chromed mirror caps, roof racks above, leather seating throughout. You got the Denali stitching here on both sides. Sunroof above, memory seat and memory mirror with 2 presets. Power driver, adjustable seat with lumbar supports. And you have heated mirrors, and you also have the driver blind spot system there, so it's going to let you know if it's unsafe to make a lane change. Lots to see here, so let's climb on in and start taking a tour around. All right, so we're going to work our way here from left to right on the inside. Lots to see. You've got the nice wood top there to the steering wheel. The rest of it is leather wrapped. It's your collision warning there. You can set that up for different distances, and it's going to keep you informed of the flow of traffic around you. And you also have the lane departure warning system, so you're going to get an alert if you start to drift. Your cruise control, your headlights and turn signals. Intermittent wipers, including rear wipers here on the right-hand side. And your hands-free calling and voice command, audio source selector, and volume control. And you've got Pioneer audio in here, so you're going to love that sound. Let's go to the touch screen, full color, AM, FM, and you also have this XM Sirius radio. You get the Stitcher Smart Radio app, so you can get your podcasts going through there. USB outlet as well for power. Onboard navigation to get you where you need to go. And of course, in reverse, you're always going to get that full color rear backup camera with trajectory. You got your presets, the home button, hands-free calling from the keypad, navigation, one touch there, heated seats, both driver and passenger side, AC button with automatic temperature control, fan speed operator, your menu button here so you can scroll through, and it's going to show you all the info that you need to know here. And you got your gear shifter, pair of cup holders, traction control on off, and excuse my jacket there, that's kind of in the way. And you also have a large storage space below, removable tray, and hard to see below there, but there is auxiliary USB and 12-volt power in there as well. And the Denali stitching into the seats here, both driver and passenger side. Sunroof above, and controls for the sunroof right here within arm's reach. And you've got the liftgate release button there for the hatch. Overhead lighting, and ONSTAR services available to you there just above the rear view mirror. Once again, it's also offered on the touchscreen. All right, so we're going to check out the rear of the vehicle. You've got the dual exhaust. You've got the trailer and equipment all ready to go for you. Your all-wheel drive badging in the right-hand side, and you also have the rear parking sensors there. And by holding down the button on the key fob, you can get that hatch to open up there for you nice and easily. Split bench seat in the back, 60/40, so you can fold those seats down. Get lots of storage in here. Tie downs. 12-volt power, and you've also got some all-weather floor mats here. You're also getting the carpeted ones as well. And full-size spare tire below. And to close up the hatch, just going to press this button right here, and it's going to safely and securely snap back into place. All right, you have 12-volt power here for your passengers to plug into. Leather upholstery once again in the rear. And fold-down armrest with cup holders. Overhead lighting. And to get the seats to fold down, you just need to grab a hold of these tabs here and fold down just like that. And both sides will do the same thing of the 60/40. And I'm doing that with the one hand on the camera, so that's how simple it is. You got the nice red stitching here, the wood grain trim notes, power windows, and nice deep solar ray glass all around, so it's going to keep things cooler in the summer months, and good for privacy as well. And that's going to do it for your look at the 2017 GMC Terrain Denali. If you want to see this one in person, and I know you do, we're at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa, where we always do whatever it takes.